Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Moffrey. When you open your chart, you'll find this is first attempt. I'll show you even with rules. So this is our first attempt. Guys, I've told you that if the resistance of the first attempt is broken with a body, it is no longer a double top. So this is our first attempt, meaning our first top. So this is our first attempt. So we are anticipating. You have to anticipate for double top. Nobody will tell you that now it is double top. Anticipate, because if you see it already printing, it means you have missed the chance. So we anticipate double tops before even they happen. So that's being our first top. That is our first top, which is first attempt. And then now we are anticipating the market to come here and not to do like this. We don't want the body to close like that. If the body starts closing above, it is no longer a double top. And I'll give you an example. We can see here, we have here the market had touched we had first attempt here, and then the market did what? You can see very clearly the market broke the resistance. So there's no way you can say that's a double top where the market has broken the resistance. This is what you don't want on your double top. There are people who even it has broken with a body and they are still calling it a double top. If the market breaks like this is your first attempt, first top. I can even write for you here. You are anticipating, you had already first top, and now we were anticipating for second top so that we can call it double top. If the candle breaks with the body, if this candle, you can see the candle has broken with the body. You can see very clearly the candle has broken. This big candle has broken with the body. So automatically the double top is invalidated because of that. So in this case, what we want here, we don't want what we are looking here, we don't want the market to break with this box. We want the market to react. So where is our neckline? Our neckline is this zone. This is our neckline. So we will identify our neckline very, very well. So we just come here and write neckline like that. So our neckline is where we have said if you want to hit TP after you have gotten all the confirmation, our TP is this zone. Don't target more than this. So let's play and see what happens when the market starts approaching our second zone. So even you can write, for me, I write second attempt of second top, whichever you want. You can say second attempt stroke second top. For you to be this was first attempt, first top. So for you to be alert. So we are waiting for second attempt, and we have said we don't want the body to break. So we are waiting, and the market has touched it has touched the zone. So we are very close. We are closing our fingers the market not to break, and you can see it is almost breaking. We don't know if it will break. It is almost breaking. You can see even the body is very huge. Now let's see what happens. The next candle, you can see this candle is what I'm saying. Guys, if you see such candle in a double top, these are bearish engulfing candle. There is no need of waiting, oh, I'm not sure, it will give me fake breakout. Guys, if you see a bearish engulfing candle on a zone like this, we are entering sell immediately. So here we come, we put short position, and now we are targeting what? We are targeting to the neckline. I've told you our target is the neckline. Stop loss is above that high, and now we wait and see. Let's see what happens. So the market is pushing down, going to our neckline, and it is easy as just waiting for the market to hit your TP. And you can see the market hit our TP very, very well. Very, very well. So guys, what I can tell you is that the minute the market has given you a confirmation of entry, you have seen, you just look of two candles. You look for a bearish engulfing. or WBB strategy. If it was a very small candle, we could have put a box. If it is a small candle like here, you put a box. If it breaks, now you enter, because you don't want to be you don't want to enter very early and it be the pattern was fake breakout. So for you to avoid all that, you just have two candles that you are watching, either a bearish engulfing candle, or if it is a small red candle, you put a box. So for us, the market has broken this neckline. You see, the market has broken the neckline. So eventually this market will come to this zone. So many people will come here and buy and sell, but what I tell you guys is that don't sell immediately when you see this market. Wait for retest, and I'll show you where WBB strategy is happening or is being applied. So many people don't know how far will it retest. So let's see. Now that one was a win. So we are waiting for retest. We see the second candle. So the second candle starts retesting. Key thing, do not enter the market or do not enter sell with a green candle. We want to enter sell. So we are looking for a sell candle. So the market keeps retracing back, and then eventually it gives us a very small candle. This is what I was saying. Most of the time, you'll be given this small candle here at the beginning. What I'm saying is that come and put a box. Put a box, do WBB strategy, and then right here, WBB, wait, box break. That's what WBB means. Wait, I'm waiting for box break, because we don't know if this is a fake out. We don't know if it is the market still wants to retest. It can come to many positions. It can come to here, or it can come all the way up there. So we don't know where the price wants to go. So with this box, we already know if it breaks the box, we are entering. So let's see what happens. The market doesn't break the box, so we adjust our box. We are adjusting our box, and the market does not break, so we don't enter that market. And eventually you can see, guys, if you had entered here, see what happens. Many people entered sell here. If we had entered here, what could have happened? We could have lost that trade if our stop loss was near. So we are still waiting, because the trade is valid. The trade is very, very valid, because it broke the neckline. So until it has a red candle, that's when we enter. So you can see with a very, very big candle, now we have a confirmation that this trade, the buyers and the sellers are ready now to take this market down. So what you do, you enter sell position, because that's an engulfing candle. So you come here, you short that market, you enter that sell, and then the stop loss, be careful, because you don't know if the market can come away there. So the stop loss can be, you can do how many pips, like 50 pips stop loss, and then now you wait for the market to go to your direction. So how many gains do you want to TP? You want 133 pips. So let's see what happens after you have entered that trade. So let's see what happens. We can play it. So you can see the market came down to almost hitting our TP, and it has hit our TP. You can see. So what did we avoid from all this? What we were avoiding is early entry. We avoided entering here, getting all the way, being discouraged, but the trade has gone to our entry. So guys, if you will be able to trade this way, a double top pattern, you will make so much money. So what I can tell you guys is that if the beginning of your double top, you have a very small candle, put a box. If you have a bearish engulfing candle, enter immediately. If the market breaks the neckline, wait for retest. The wait for retest, you have to wait for red candles to start printing, so that you can put that box. Once that box is broken, you can enter. If the red candle prints and it engulfs the green one, you don't need a box, you'll enter immediately. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this strategy for trading double top, it will really help you, and I hope you'll start making in money. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye.